Do you work in India? Do you have a job, a contract, or even a delivery gig? Then this change is for you. A new safety net is being built for every Indian worker. This is a change that is transforming your salary, your retirement, and your social security forever. This is the Code on Social Security 2020. It is a historic law that has combined 9 different labor acts into one single unified framework. Its goal? Simplification and, most importantly, universal coverage, a safety net that reaches all sectors, both organized and unorganized. For the first time in history, this code gives legal recognition to gig workers and platform workers. Your favorite food delivery executive or app-based cab driver is now also under the cover of Social Security. A separate Social Security fund is being created for them, where aggregators, the companies, will also contribute a part of their earnings. But the biggest change, which will affect every employee and employer, is the new definition of wages. Now at least 50% of your total salary must be part of your basic wages. This means your allowances like HRA, travel, etc. cannot be more than 50% of your total pay. If they are, the extra allowance amount will be added to your wages for calculating PF and gratuity. This new rule will directly affect your employees' provident fund, EPF contribution, and your gratuity calculation. Your take-home salary structure might change, but your long-term retirement fund could become even stronger. This code also protects and improves your existing benefits. For gratuity, 5 years of service is necessary, but in a revolutionary step, fixed-term employees, those on contract, will now be eligible for gratuity even for a 1-year contract, paid on a pro-rata basis in proportion to their service. For women employees, 26 weeks of paid maternity leave will continue, and a creche facility is mandatory for every company with more than 50 employees. The reach of employee state insurance or ESI is also being expanded to cover every district in the country. And for establishments doing hazardous, that is dangerous work, ESI will apply even if there is only one employee. To make giving all these benefits easier, compliance has also been simplified for employers. Instead of many different registrations, there will now be one unified electronic registration on the Shram Suvidha portal. And the old Inspector Raj system is being replaced by a new Inspector-cum-Facilitator system. This is a big shift from punishment to partnership. Their job is not just to find faults, but to guide companies on how to follow the rules correctly. This code is not just a law. It is a promise of security. It is a new social contract between every employer and employee, which makes dignity and safety the main foundation of all work. As India's economy is changing, our ways of working are also changing. The Code on Social Security 2020 accepts this change. It ensures that in this race for growth, no one is left behind. This is the foundation for a new India where everyone can work with security and grow with dignity.